This is not a new problem. Like, this has been going on for years, and I don't know that people really that don't work down here every day understand the magnitude of this problem. This is this is something in my job at Sultana that I'm literally worried about every single day that we're bringing people down here, and it's such a shame. We have America here. We have a full, sold-out boat, that's bringing dozens of people to town, and this is their impression of Chestertown when they come and this happens. So when we're asking for letters of support and people are hedging, it's just, just understand that what we're doing is really important, but it's also needed, and it's needed yesterday.
It's a real problem, and it's something we think about every year for downrigging weekend. If this were to happen on downrigging weekend, it would ruin the whole weekend, and all those boats would go away, and they would think hard about coming back to Chestertown again.